sixth chapter, trigonometry, ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1A, part 6. Last part completed impounded 7 marks problem, 2 marks problem and 4 marks problem. Today discuss impounded 2 marks problem in a Board of Intermediate Examination. What is that problem? Example 1, cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, and so on. Cot 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1. This value you can prove that. First of all, we have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? This total is LHS part. Cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, and so on. Cot 7 pi by 16. Here you can extend the remaining terms also. That's why you can write cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, cot, next term is what? Cot 4 pi by 16, cot 5 pi by 16, cot 6 pi by 16, cot 7 pi by 16. The product of these are all terms. Here you can write 7 pi by 16 nothing but 7 pi by 16 nothing but 90 minus pi by 16. Correct or not? Check. 7 pi by 16. First you have to take LCM. 16 is LCM. 2 8s are 8 pi minus pi. 8 pi minus pi how much? 7 pi. Nothing but 7 pi by 16 can be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Similarly, 6 pi by 16. 6 pi by 16 can be written as pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. Correct or not? Students, here 2 16 LCM is 16. 2 8s are 8 pi minus 2 pi. How much? 6 pi. Next, 5 pi by 16. 5 pi by 16 can be written as pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. Correct or not? 2 16 LCM is 16. 2 8s are 8 pi minus 3 pi. How much? 5 pi. That's why you can write in this above term. This 7 pi by 16, 6 pi by 16 and 5 pi by 16 substituted in this terms. You get what? Cot 5 pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, cot 4 pi by 16, cot 5 pi by 16 nothing but 90 minus 3 pi by 16. Cot 6 pi by 16 nothing but 90 minus 2 pi by 16. Cot 7 pi by 16 nothing but 90 minus pi by 16. 90 minus pi by 16. After that, cot 5 pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, cot 4 ones are 4 fours are pi by 4, cot 90 minus theta which quadrant? 90 minus theta first quadrant already explained cos invertical. 90 minus theta first quadrant, in first quadrant cot is positive, 90 is odd function, cot can be changed to tan. That's why you can write here tan 3 pi by 16. Here also we can write tan 2 pi by 16. Here also we can write tan 5 pi by 16. Why? Because you can write here tan 90 is which function? Odd function. Cot can be changed to tan. Tan can be changed to cot. Next one is cot 5 pi by 16 into tan 5 pi by 16. Tan 5 pi by 16. This is the one point. Next one is what? Cot 2 pi by 16 into tan 2 pi by 16 is a one more. Next term is what here? Cot 3 pi by 16 into tan 3 pi by 16. This is a one more term. Here remaining what here? Remaining cot pi by 4 is there. Remaining what is the term, that is cot pi by 4 is there. After that, cot pi by 16 into cot pi by 16 into, what is the meaning of tan? Tan nothing but reciprocal of cot, nothing but 1 by cot. 1 by cot pi by 16. Remaining, you can write here, cot 2 pi by 16 into 1 by tan 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16 into tan nothing but 1 by cot. Here also we can write 1 by cot, 1 by cot 3 pi by 16 into cot pi by 4 value is 1. Cot pi by 4 nothing but 45 degrees, that value is 1. Cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by cot 2 by cot 3 by cot 3 by can cancel. Remaining what? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, you get 1. This is the which part? RHS part. This is a very important 2 marks problem. Next problem, prove that cos of pi minus a, cot of pi by 2 plus a, cos of minus a whole by tan of pi plus a, tan of 3 pi by 2 plus a, sin of 2 pi minus a is equal to cos a. First of all, we have to take LHS part. What is the LHS part? LHS part is cos of pi minus a into cot of pi by 2 plus a into cos of minus a whole by denominator is what? Tan of pi plus a into tan of 3 pi by 2 plus a into sin of 2 pi minus a. This one is a LHS part. Here you can simplify each term separately. Cos of 180, pi nothing but 180. 180 minus theta lies on second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. 180 is which function? Even function. Cos is cos and a is a. First term is completed. Second term, pi by 2 nothing but 90. 90 plus theta lies on second quadrant. Second quadrant cot is negative. 90 is odd function. Cot is changed tan. Correct or not, students? Here 90 is odd function. Trigonometry ratios are changed. Tan cot is changed tan. Cos of minus theta cos theta. Cos of minus theta formula is there. What is the formula? That is cos of minus theta is cos theta. Next, pi nothing but 180. 180 plus theta lies on third quadrant. Third quadrant tan is positive. 180 is even function. Tan is tan. Next, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 nothing but 270 degrees. 270 plus theta lies on which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In this fourth quadrant, tan is negative. 270 is odd function. Tan can be changed to odd. Sin 2 pi nothing but 360 degrees. 360 minus theta lies on fourth quadrant. In this fourth quadrant, sin is negative. 360 degrees is which function? Even function. Sin is sin a. Next, minus into minus plus. Tan a into cos a into cos a, cos square a whole by. Next, minus into minus plus tan a into cot a into sin a. Tan a into cot a into sin a. Here tan a get cancel. You can write cos square a by. Here cot, what is the meaning of cot? Cot nothing but reciprocal of tan, or cot nothing but cos by sin. Cos a by sin a into, what is the value here? Sin a nothing but sin a. Here sin a get cancelled. You get cos square a by cos a. Here cos square a, 1 cos a get cancelled. Remaining 1 cos a is there. This is a which part? RHS part. This is a important 4 marks problem, unexpected. Next, today assignment problem or homework problem. First assignment problem is prove that sin of 3 pi minus a cot of a minus pi by 2 tan of 3 pi by 2 minus a whole by cosecant of 13 pi by 2 plus a secant of 3 pi plus a cot of a minus pi by 2 is equal to cos power 4a. Here 3 pi nothing but this is 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi. This one is the 3 pi. 3 pi minus a. 3 pi minus a lies on. 3 pi minus a lies on second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is positive. 3 pi is even function. Then sign of 3 pi minus a value is sign. Here 3 pi by nothing but 270 minus a. 270 minus a nothing but third quadrant. You can do that before problem model. 13 pi by 2. 13 pi by 2 nothing but 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next 13. 13 pi by 2 nothing but here is there. 13 pi by 2 plus nothing but 13 pi by 2 plus a lies on second quadrant. Lies on second quadrant. Second quadrant cosecant is positive. 13 pi by 2 is which function? Odd function. Here already explained. In x-axis quadrant angles are even functions. Y-axis quadrant angles are odd functions. Cosecant nothing but secant a. And here c cosecant 13 pi by 2 plus a value is secant a. Next 3 pi plus a. Already explained. 3 pi plus a lies on third coordinate. You can do that similar way. Here 3 pi is even function. In this term you can common minus pi by 2 minus a. Cot of minus theta minus cot theta. Minus cot of pi by 2 minus a. Pi by 2 minus a lies on first quadrant. Here also you can common minus cos of minus theta, that is for cos theta. Pi by 2 a minus nothing but first quadrant. You can do that. Here some hint is given. You can use that hint. You can solve before problem model. Next one is prove that cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20. Here 9 pi by 20, 9 pi by 20 given as pi by 2 minus pi by 20. You can write pi by 2 minus pi by 20 in place of 9 pi by 20. 7 pi by 20 in place of 7 pi by 20 you can write pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20. You get this problem also be do that previous problem first problem model. Say some hint is given. You can use these two hints. You get to solve this problem. This is a very important 2 marks problem.